والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So we are going to start our second session of this week. Let's recap what we did yesterday. We have started with the verb and we discussed about Madi and then Modare. Madi is past and Modare is present and future. So we are complete. We took a template example that is fa'ala. Fa'ala mean he did. And then we saw that how one word is changing its shape in Madi and similarly in Modare. So in Madi, we observed that it is changing shape from the end, the fa'alu, fa'ta, tum, tu, na. So we have to focus on these ta and tu, tum and na, and then we will just understand the meaning of these words. Similarly, in Mudare, the first third person is starting with ya. Yaf'alu, ya, he is hidden. Third person is hidden. Yaf'aluna, they. And similarly, here we have to recognize from the first word taf'alu, taf'aluna. And for first person af'alu and first person plural, that is naf'alu, noon. Here fa'alna, we did. Naf'alu, we do or we will do. So we have to pause ourselves here and just we have to observe the difference. Fa'alta, taf'alu. Here fa'altum, taf'aluna. Fa'altu, I did, but here it is af'alu. So the order is very important, that first we have to bring it on our fingertips in the same order, and then in the second step we have to consider the meaning. When this table will be on our fingertips, we can do this table, and today we will just add some more things in this table. Then we can take any word with three letters like of this shape. You will generate any type of words from here. Let's first do the fa'ala. So I would start with the safi. Can you please just do the madi and mudare for fa'ala?
Yes. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. Yaf'aluna, they do or they will do. Taf'alu, you do or you will do. Taf'aluna, you all do or you all will do. Af'alu, I do or I will do. Naf'alu, we do or we will do.
If I ask you, you all did. So that will be,
Uh, Fa'altum.
and you all do or you all will do.
Taf'aluna.
Tafa'alun. So this is very important to definition. So fa'ala, thank you, Sophie. Uh, so I would go to Ubaid. Ubaid, you are there?
Yes.
Yes. Ubaid, can you please fit jama'a on this table and please generate all these words? Jama'a means
Jama means he gathered.
together. So everyone, please just focus on the word and just see the vocabulary once. So we are just building in step by step way. So we have started with the attached pronoun, detached, then attached pronouns, and then table. And now you will see that lot of things we have almost covered. So just ja'ala, he made. Jama'a, he gathered. Mana'a, he forbade. Fataha, he opened. Rafa'a, he raised. Zahaba, he went. So we will repeat these words again. So okay, go ahead, Ubaid. Jama'a.
Jama'a, he gathered. Jama'u, they gathered. Jama'ta, you gathered. Jama'tum, you all gathered. Jama'tu, I gathered. Jama'na, we gathered. Yajma'u, he gathers or he will gather. Yajma'una, they gather or they will gather. Tajma'u, you gather or you will gather. Tajma'una, you all gather or you all will gather. Ajma'u, I gather or I will gather. Najma'u, we gather or we will gather.
Okay, thank you. So once more, Anik.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Anik, can you please fit ja'ala on this table? Ja'ala means he made.
Okay.
Okay, can you please try to fit it here?
Yeah. Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'alna, we made. Uh,
Yaj'alu.
Yaj'alu, he made or he will
He
make.
makes.
Oh yeah, he makes or he will make. Yaj'aluna, they make or they will make. Taj'alu, you make or you will make. Taj'aluna,
You all make.
you all make or you all will make. Aja,
Aj'alu.
Aja'alu, Aja'alu, I make or I will make. Naja'alu, we make or we will make.
Okay. If I say, Anik, if I say taj'alu, where I can fit taj'alu, in Madi or Mudare? Taj'alu.
Mudare.
Mudare where?
Uh, Taja'aluna, you.
Taj'alu. I said taj'alu.
Oh, Taja'alu,
Where? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
third.
Third, taj'alu. And taj'alu will be you.
You make or
You
you will
make
make.
or you will make. Yes, very nice, Anik.
Thank
So
you.
we are just going to build up on this. Today we have to just add amr, nahi, and fa'il maf'ul, inshallah. Amr, order. If you are giving order to someone, imperative, and nahi, negative imperative. So amr and nahyun. So this is order. If you order somebody, so it will be if'al. Basically, here this is from mudare yaf'alu. Instead of ya, you just put hamza and there is kasra. So it will be if'al. You do. La taf'al. You don't do. Again, if'al. La taf'al. You do. You don't do. If'alu. This is the plural of if'al. If'alu, you all do. La taf'alu, you all don't do. Buraq,
Assalamu alaikum.
can you please repeat this?
If'al, you do. La taf'al, you don't do. If'alu, you all do. La taf'alu, you all don't do.
La, so this is taf'alu. This, la taf'al. This is sakin. La taf'al, you don't do. And plural of la taf'al is la taf'alu, you all don't do. Can you please start from fa'ala and reach here with
Yes.
translation?
Fa'ala,
He did.
he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, they did.
Fa'altum, you all. Ya Buraq.
You all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did.
So this is Madi.
Yeah.
Mudare.
Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. Yaf'aluna, they do or they do or they will do. Taf'alu, you do or you will do. Taf'aluna, you all do or you all will do. Af'alu, I do or I will do. Naf'alu, we do or we will do.
If'al.
Al, you do. La taf'al, you don't do. If'alu, you all do. La taf'alu, you all don't do.
Thank you very much. If I say ja'ala, if it is ja'ala, what will come here in Amr?
Ij'al,
And then
la taj'al.
here,
Ij'alu, la taj'alu.
la taj'alu. Very nice, Buraq. Thank you. So this is if'al, you do. La taf'al, you don't do. You don't do. See here, this is taf'alu, you do or you will do. So it is from here la, and then the lam, last lam is that is sakin, jazm. La taf'al. If'alu, you all do. La taf'alu, you all don't do. Okay, I would go to Tanjeen. Tanjeen, can you please repeat this, Amar?
Okay. Is this being
Please.
recorded?
What you are saying?
Is
Yes.
this being recorded?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If'al, you do. La taf'al, you don't do. If'alu, you all do. La taf'alu, you all don't do.
Can you please start from fa'ala?
Fa'ala,
Fa'alu.
fa'ala, fa'alu. فعلت فعلتم فعلت فعلنا
يفعل.
يفعل هو يفعلون تفعل تفعلون
تفعلون.
أفعل تفعلون أفعل
أفعل.
أفعل أفعل نفعل
افعل.
افعل you do if لا تفعل you don't do it افعلوا you all do لا تفعلوا you all don't do.
Thank you very much, Tanjin.
You're welcome.
So next thing is we have to add fa'al. First is madi, then mudare, amr, and nahi. Now fa'il and maf'ul. Fa'il mean doer, subject, the one who do. Maf'ul, it is basically the thing which is affected by that doer, the one upon it is done. So first is fa'il, the one who does, and maf'ul is the one upon it is done. If you are working, the work you are doing, that work is called the task which is being done, that is maf'ul. Fa'il, actually it is written as fa'ilun, we can say it fa'il, there is tanween. And plural of fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Again, after amr, if'al, la taf'al. If'alu, la taf'alu. Now we go to the fa'il. This is subject, doer. Fa'il, the one who does. Plural of fa'il, there are two plural. Fa'ilun, fa'ilin, those who do. Fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Fa'il, the one who does. Fa'ilun and fa'ilin, those who do. These both are plural of fa'il. This is for one. Now maf'ul. Maf'ul means this is subject, this is object. Doer, the one who does. The one upon it is done. If someone is doing something, the person which was affected by this work, this doer, that is called maf'ul. Maf'ul. This is maf'ulun, as written as maf'ulun. We have to say it maf'ul, the one upon it is done. And plural of maf'ul is maf'ulun, maf'ulin. And the last thing of this table, that is the masdar. This is the same masdar, is coming from sadr, the center, the central, and it is called verbal noun. There is no rule that how we can, but this is the original central word. Like here for fa'ala, it is fi'lun, to do. Fa'ala, he did. Fi'l, to do. This is the central word, masdar, from sadr. Fi'l, this is the central word. All these words are derived from sadr, masdar, verbal noun, fi'l. Again, if I start from here, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna, yaf'alu, yaf'aluna, taf'alu, taf'aluna, af'alu, naf'alu, if'al, la taf'al, if'alu, la taf'alu, fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Fa'il, the one who does. And the plural of fa'il is fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Similarly here, one word, the object maf'ul. This is the maf'ul is started with meme. Maf'ul, the one upon it is done. Maf'ulun, maf'ulin. And then we have fi'il, verbal noun. If I take ja'ala, let's replace uh, fa with jim. So it will be ja'ala. If we replace fa with jim, it be fa'ala mean he did. If we replace fa with jim, it will become ja'ala. And let us try to make all these words. This is madi, mudare, amr, nahi, fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. So Ibrahim Farhan is there?
Yes.
Yeah, can you please first do with fa'ala and then fit it ja'ala, please?
Okay. فعلا فعلوا فعلت فعلتم فعلت فعلنا يفعل يفعلون تفعل تفعلون أفعل نفعل افعل لا تفعل افعلوا لا تفعلوا فاعل فاعلون فاعلين مفعول مفعولون مفعولين فعل.
Fair. Can you replace fa with jim?
Okay. جعل جعلوا جعلت
جعلتم جعلت جعلنا يجعل يجعلون تجعل تجعلون أجعل نجعل اجعل لا تجعل اجعلوا لا تجعلوا جاعل جاعلون جاعلين مجعول مجعولون مجعولين جعل
Ja'lun, ja'al. This is
oh جعل
okay. Ja'ala means he made. Ja'il mean
um جاعل the one who
the
made
one who
made
maker. And what is the plural of ja'il?
um جاعل
Ja'ilun,
جاعلون جاعلين those who
ja'ilin.
make
Okay. And what
the
about maf'ul? Maj'ul, the thing which is
the,
being made. This is the
the
maker, the one who makes. The thing which is being made, that is maj'ul. And what is the plural of maj'ul?
مجعولون مجعولين
Maj'ulin. And ja'al, ja'alun.
uh
So this is masdar. Thank
yes
you. So let's take one last example, and then we have to go to the break room, and then there everybody will be given a chance to practice on this table. Again, Madi, Mudare, Amr, Nahi. Amr mean order, imperative, negative imperative. This is doer, subject. This is object, and this is masdar mean verbal noun. Verbal noun. This is the central word. Verbal noun. Like we during Salah we did hamd, Hamida and Hamd. So here fa'il, this is just very easy, just one word. Fa'il and plural is un, in. Maf'ul, plural is just add un, in. Maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulin. Maj'ul, maj'ulun, maj'ulin. So I would ask Shifa to do rafa'a. Rafa'a mean he raised.
Okay. Rafa'a means he raised. Rafa'a, rafa'u, rafa'ta, rafa'tum, rafa'tu, rafa'na. Yarfa'u, yarfa'una, tarfa'u, tarfa'una, arfa'u, narfa'u. Irfa' la tarfa'. ارفعوا لا ترفعوا رافع رافعون رافعين مرفوع مرفوعون مرفوعين رفع.
Rafa. Okay, over to you, Doctor.
Thank you, Jazakallah khairan, Brother Akhtar. So